Caddisflies are moth-like insects from the order Trichoptera. These insects are found near bodies of water, creating swarms that are large nuisances for people in the area. In this video, we'll go over how to identify caddisflies, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Adult caddisflies look similar to moths. Despite their name, these insects are not actually flies. Flies have only one pair of wings, while caddisflies have two pairs. The posterior wings are often more broad than the anterior wings. Adult caddisflies can range from 3 to 15 millimeters in length. The wings are typically longer than their bodies at up to 20 millimeters, and their wingspans can reach up to 40 millimeters long. The wings are also usually hairy, or they grow hairs along the vein lines. The adult caddisflies are usually brown in color, with patterning that varies from species to species. The larvae of caddisflies are grub-like in appearance with long abdomens. Similar to another pest known as the bagworm, caddisfly larvae create cases with silk and sediment. These cases are often made with small pebbles or gravel, but they can also be made with pieces of twigs. The larvae with their cases can reach lengths ranging from 3 to 40 millimeters. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Caddisflies are found throughout the world near bodies of fresh water as they lay their eggs on the water's surface. Note bodies of water on your property or where water in your yard pools and doesn't drain properly, such as after rain. At night, caddisflies are attracted to artificial lighting and may rest along the outside of structures. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control caddisflies on your property, create a chemical barrier with a repelling insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based, liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. In a handheld sprayer, mix 0.33 to 1.0 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide or invade. Then, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Do not allow people or pets around the treated area until the product has dried completely. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To deter caddisfly activity, manage or eliminate bodies of water on your property. Keep bird baths drained and put covers onto pools. Remove debris like leaves, algae, and decaying plant matter, as these serve as food sources for the larvae. Keep your yard tidy and reduce excessive vegetation or moisture around your home's perimeter. While caddisflies don't live in grass or soil, overgrown damp areas near water can give them good cover. At night, adult caddisflies will be attracted to any artificial lighting. White light attracts more insects, so you may switch to more yellow lighting to make your property less attractive. Ideally, you should keep outdoor lighting off during months with high pest activity and keep the curtains closed on all windows and doors. Finally, make regular reapplications of Supreme IT. One application lasts for up to 90 days, so reapply this product every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop caddisflies from swarming your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.